masses this morning, day after prom. I just wanted to show you how I'm doing this sausage gravy. I have fried, let me turn this around. I have fried a pound and a half of sausage. And leave the grease in because you're going to need it for your gravy. And I'm going to sprinkle about a fourth a cup of all-purpose flour. And yes, my kitchen is a mess because I have 17, and 18-year-olds here, so, and they've been up and down in the kitchen, eating and carrying on. Anyway, so I'm going to put that, flour in here. This is a quicker way to make sausage gravy in my opinion. And actually, since this is deer sausage, might need to add a little bit of oil. Hang on. We live. So, it is what it is. Lord, I don't have a place to sit stuff. It's just out of control. But anyway, I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons. Make sure I've got enough oil to soak up that flour. One-handed. Now, I'm going to put a little bit more flour and then I'm going to add my milk. So probably about a half a cup of flour if you're following along and need measurements. But gravy's something that you kind of have to not only practice at but kind of eyeball it. And that's what I'm doing. But you do want to get it incorporated into the meat for sausage gravy because you don't want your flour to taste raw. I don't really know what that means, but I mean I do know what it tastes like, but you gotta brown your gravy is what I'm saying. So that looks pretty good. I'm gonna slowly add some milk and give it a stir. And you want it to be thick enough that a biscuit will hold it, but thin enough that you can pour it over. So my heat is on low. Okay, this is in on low. There's grease everywhere. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. Not a lot of salt, but quite a bit of pepper. About 2 teaspoons. Roundabout. I think I hear some of the creatures stirring. Let's see if I do. About a teaspoon of salt should do it. And then I'm going to let this cook down a little bit until it thickens a little bit. And then I'm going to turn the heat off and cover it and wait for the boys to come in. So that's how we're doing sausage gravy today. Let me get this flour down in there. There we go. And I'm going to let that cook for a few minutes. I don't know. Maybe you come off a breakfast girl. There'll be plenty. That's a good thing about sausage gravy. It goes a long way. No. Dang it up here. No. Dang it up yet. That's the other nice thing about sausage gravy, y'all, is that you can bake it and keep it warm, and they can have it when they get up, when they've partied and danced all night. Party to the break of dawn at the Eastern Guilford High School prom. But sausage gravy goes a long way, and it feeds and fills up these boys. Just saying. So that's how I'm doing it. You can do it however you want to, but that's a quick way to do it when you got a bunch of kids to feed. So, sausage gravy, fresh eggs out of chicken's butt, which I gotta wash them. I've already washed and cracked these. Tamara Smith was so kind to send us some strawberry shortcakes and fresh strawberries. They'll have that as a side. 4 different jellies, brownies, and leftover Domino's pizza. What could be better? Right? Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real.